Hello, class. I hope you are all having a great day. It is time for writing. For writing today, we will be editing and revising our drafts. Remember that all writers can improve their drafts by revising and editing. Revising means changing our drafts to make our writing clearer and more interesting. Editing means to correct errors in spelling, capitalization, punctuation, and grammar. Here's a sample of my writing. The yellow highlighted part is all of the new details that I included. And I want you guys to include at least 3 new details in your writing today. So I will read my opening sentence. I said, "It was a beautiful sunny Easter Sunday when my siblings and I went on an egg hunt at my grandma's house. When we were all trying to find Easter eggs, my sister screamed, 'Everyone, come here! I found a magical egg.'" This is the new part that I added today. The egg was pink and blue and had shiny stars all over it. My transition word with my comma. At first, my first event, I felt nervous because I didn't know what the egg could do. And I added this new detail today as well. I stood next to my sister while she was holding the egg. Oh, see? I need to correct that. So that's good that I am reading it to you guys so that I can edit my work as well and revise it. All right. I stood next to my sister while she was holding the egg. All right. And the tell me more part. My sister read the note on the Easter egg and it said, "I can give you and a friend one magical power for a day. My sister and I wished we could fly." My second transition word is not long after, and my second event is my sister and I were flying up in the sky. My second tell me more. We flew across the ocean together and felt the wind on our face. We also flew across Legoland. It was so cool. My third transition word, at the end of the day, my third detail, we came back down to land and told everyone where we flew to. And my third tell me more, and you can see where I added more detail. We showed everyone pictures that we took while we were up in the sky. I did not want to come back down. And my closing sentence. In conclusion, so this is where you will talk about your feelings, your hope, your opinion. I was happy I was able to experience flying with my sister. I will never forget that day and the magical egg that we found. It was a fun day. All right, boys and girls, so I want you to add 3 more details. And I want you to go back and make sure you have an opening sentence, your transition words with a comma that follows right after, and a closing sentence, and make sure you have a punctuation mark at the end of every sentence. And that is all for writing today. I will talk to you guys next time.